What's up you guys, it's me Mandiscurls here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve these bomb ass gel nails from home with shellac nail polish. If you want to see how I achieve these, then stay tuned. So right now I am just starting off on clean dry nails. I know they look real crusty right now, but trust me, in a few minutes it's going to change. It's going to look so bomb, trust me. So right now I am using a cuticle pusher. And I love this tool because it helps to push back my cuticles. It doesn't hurt at all. Just a tip for you, if you wanted to just wash your hands first before you using the cuticle pusher, just to make sure that your cuticles are all soft and everything. And then after that, you can use the cuticle cutter. And this is just to cut around your cuticles and any hangnails that you may have. I think I only had like 1 or 2. And it also helps to make your nails look more elongated for when you are going to do a manicure. After this, I do get my nail filer. I think this one was the 120 grit nail filer, and I'm just filing down all of my nails just to prep my nail for when I'm starting my gel. And this is what my nails look like afterwards. I did wash my hands and got rid of any of the excess dust. So next I'm using the 2-in-1 dehydrator and nail cleanser, and what that's going to do is clean my nail beds and get rid of any extra moisture or oils that I may have on my nails. After that, I'm going to be using some bonder, and this is going to help adhere the gel to my nails. After that, I put my hands into the UV lamp and I just cure it for 2 minutes. Okay guys, so this is where the magic happens. I'm actually grabbing a nail former and I'm placing that right underneath where my nail would end, or the free edge of my nail, and then I'm just taping that in place and making sure that everything is just right and taped properly. So right now I'm using the builder gel, and I'm grabbing my brush and applying a small amount of the gel to my nail, starting in the middle and brushing down to the nail former. And I'm making sure to do little tiny strokes and then moving up to the top and then moving down again. You want to be sure that you're being very careful when you're applying the gel, because you don't want any of the gel to get onto your skin at all, and because then it's just not going to look neat and it's going to look real janky. So because I didn't want my nails to be too long, I'm using the nail former as a guide to determine the length of my nail. So I'm just applying the gel to the first box or graft, and that will be how long my nail will actually be in the end. So after all the gel is applied to your nails, you're just going to be curing your nails for 2 minutes and then starting the process over of applying more gel to your nails. And I did this for 3 layers, so 3 separate times. So after 3 layers of applying the gel, I am basically done. I'm happy with the length and the thickness of the gel. So what I'm doing right now is getting some alcohol and then just wiping my nails to get rid of the tacky residue. So this is what my nails look like after. I know it looks like you really can't see because of the paper towel, but it is long. It's long enough for me for like me going to work and everything. But because it's a little bit jagged at the ends, I am going to be filing that down with my filer and also buffing the top of the nails as well. So like I said, this is what my nails look like afterwards. It is long enough for me, especially because I still have to go to work and I can't have my nails too long. So right now I am going to be starting off with doing the shellac now, and I'm starting with applying the nail polish, and this is the foundation. And after I do the foundation, I'm going to be curing my nails for 2 minutes as well. So after the base coat for my shellac, I am applying my color to my nails, and it's a nice nude color. I really do like it. It's very neutral. It's something that actually can work for me and for my place of employment. After that, I do cure it for 2 minutes and then apply a second coat of the nail polish or the shellac nail polish, and then cure it for another 2 minutes. And the same thing goes with the shellac nail polish as it does with the gel. You want to make sure that you are making small, even strokes throughout and making sure that you're not touching any of the skin in and around your nails. After that, I am applying my top coat and then making sure to actually get the ends of the actual nail and curing it for 2 minutes. This is the final results of my nails. I'm actually all done. I'm just using a little bit of alcohol and wiping off any of the tacky residue from the nails. But this is it, guys. These are my nails. I am so in love with them. They last for like a good 3 weeks before I have to refill them again. Let me know what you guys think. I really think these are bomb. These are something that you can do at home. It's really cheap, it's easy, and that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!